Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is Rakesh Khanna from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on copper. COMEX copper price is moving in sideways range along with upward trendline breakout indicates short-term trend is bullish. At present, base metal price is hovering near to its important resistance of $4.35 level and break above will surge the price further up till $4.55 level in near term. On the other hand, key support hold at $4 on downside. MCX copper price has given an upward trendline breakout as well as price taking downside support at 797 level indicate short-term trend is bullish. However, key resistance hold at 812 level on upside and break above will surge the price further up till 820 and 828 level in near term. The price indicator is bullish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.